guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. Don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is decluttering and reorganizing our wall cupboard. It's probably going to be the shortest video ever, but I will try my best. I will do a before and after shot so you guys can see. The DVD cases that I've got are from Amazon. I will pop a picture up on the screen so you can see what they look like a little bit more better and what they're like, how they're styled and stuff. And obviously I will show you a bit more better once they're all in the cupboards and stuff like that. But yeah, I will leave the link in the description box below as well. I was thinking about putting all the tablets and stuff in there, but they're all going to be somewhere else. That is just going to be our DVD cupboard. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. So this is a before of our cupboard. So obviously, as you can see, we've got loads and loads and loads of DVDs, and they are going into these storages. We've got 3 of these. We have some already down there and labelled. So yeah, we've got more to do. So this is the before, and then I will show you the after. As you can see, that we have all our DVDs in these storages at the moment. So we are going to transfer them into these. And then once they're finished, they are going to look like these. So obviously this is my box set. So we have taken all of the discs out and like popped them into here. So you can fit so many, literally so many in here. Obviously I've got some sticky notes which I need to finish off, so I need to get the rest of the Samantha Who's, the last of the Gavin and Stacey. But yeah, it's just so many you can fit in one of these storages. So that's what it's going to look like. I'm going to turn out like these. So obviously, as you can see, we've got loads of them so far, saying Lauren's box sets. You've got some in the corner there, which are Nathan's, Disney, chick flick films. The only ones I won't be doing is sci-fi. We're going to keep the sci-fi in, but sci-fi is actually going to go up the top. So all these ones are going to go into storages. The DVD player and that lot will not be there. I've actually got plans for that. But yeah, we're going to have like sort of these out. So we're going to have loads there and loads there. And then hopefully this shelf will be spare. And then we'll have like the sci-fi, all the ones we are going to keep in these storage cases up here. So like all sci-fi ones are just going to stay where they are. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. So this is the before. So it looks an absolute tip, looks an absolute state, but it won't be in a minute. Normally I use my label maker to label, obviously these, to pop the label like here, so we know like if they're horror, comedy, chick flick, Nathan's films, you know. But I have left my label maker in the box, which is up in the loft. And I can't get it, so I've had to improvise for now. So I've still got these self-adhesive labels. So these are obviously for like dress labels and stuff, for like when you're posting parcels and stuff. So I've literally just cut 2 in half and then in half again, so they're quite small. So I'm just going to use them for now until maybe like when I get the box back down from the loft, and then I can use my label maker. Or if not, then I will just keep them on there until I can get my label maker. But I'm going to sort out the horror ones first and then see how I go. And that is it. It is all now done. Just showing you of how it looks like. It might look really, really bare at the moment, but we are going to get more DVDs in the future. But just a quick recap of what I've done. I've put all the main big box sets down there. We've got some in the corner there. Got my DVD player and my screen there, which won't be staying there. They will be coming back out. Then we've got like all the Doctor Who series there. Tortured and that. And some other sci-fi ones there. And then on this shelf, this has got, so you've got horror here, comedy here and action here. These are Nathan's ones, so Nathan's Films, Nathan's Marvel and DC. Then you've got Christmas ones there. And then at the top here, you've got all of mine. So 2 of my box sets, more box sets, Disney and Chick Flick. But yeah, it looks so much more better, more organised. These storages are absolutely perfect for putting all your DVDs and CDs into organisation and in proper storage. Plus, look at all the space that we have, so we can then add more to our collection. So guys, that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. So sorry if it is a really short video, but that is the quickest one that I can do. All the others is going to be so long and I'm not ready for it, but they all need to be done. But that is going to be the shortest one, so I do apologise if it is really short. But as always, if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.